video, we'll talk about how to install Lightcloud Blue XDIM 0 to 10 volt smart dimmers. The XDIM 0 to 10 volt dimmer is an in-wall wired dimmer switch that can be used with 0 to 10 volt dimmable fixtures. The XDIM 0 to 10 volt dimmer can manage a load of up to 10 amps at 120 volts or 5 amps at 277 volts and requires constant power for wireless communication. Before getting started, be sure that the power to the circuit is turned off. Now we're ready to wire our dimmer to a connected load. When connecting the XDIM to a 0 to 10 volt dimming circuit, the load connects to the LD terminal, or the brass screw. The hot wire connects to the L terminal, or the black screw. The ground connects to the green screw. The purple 0 to 10 volt wire connects to the D+ terminal, or small silver screw. The pink 0 to 10 volt wire connects to the D- terminal, or small silver screw. The neutral connects to the N terminal, or silver screw. The P terminal, or copper screw, is for traveler wires in a three-way application. Although, with Lightcloud Blue dimmers, you no longer need to worry about traveler wires because all communication is happening wirelessly between dimmers. When using the XDIM dimmer on a circuit with all Lightcloud Blue-enabled lights, you should wire the lights to constant power. You should not connect the load or 0 to 10 volt terminals. Once installation is complete, the XDIM can be paired to the Lightcloud Blue mobile app and is ready to be configured. In the Lightcloud Blue mobile app, the XDIM can be programmed as an independent dimmer so that the dimmer will control local wiring connected lights only, not the whole area. Or you can set it to control the entire site and control all lights within the site, making this dimmer a global device. Additionally, you can set your dimmer to switch mode so that the dimmer will only turn lights on-off, no dimming. Easily make setting adjustments to minimize flickering and maximize compatibility with a variety of dimmable products. Select the dim to off threshold to adjust the low-end trim, and select the flicker control/max trim to adjust the high-end trim. Decide how the dimmer behaves in the event of a power outage. Choose between lights turning back on at their last known dim level or at their last state. The face of the XDIM has indicator lights. The brightness of these lights and how long they stay on can be adjusted here as well. The XDIM can be used in the typical 3-way, 4-way, any-way applications without the need for any additional traveler wires. Connect all XDIMs or combine with a ZDIM and connect to constant power. Group all dimmers together in the same area in the Lightcloud Blue mobile app to allow for wireless communication between Lightcloud Blue devices. Download the Lightcloud Blue app today to get started. For any questions about installation, contact the Lightcloud support team.